what's Percepio's claim to fame? What is Tracealyzer and what are you known for?
Yeah, we are makers of this Tracealyzer tool for RTOS debugging that allows you to record and visualize what's going on in IoT and real-time operating systems.
Very good. So in the Internet of Things, we deal a lot with remote devices and the need to monitor, manage, and potentially even debug them. What are you doing to change that landscape?
Well, we are working on a new solution. It's just in beta now, called Percepio Device Firmware Monitor. That allows you to capture and upload issues from your devices in the field, so that you get a direct awareness of any problems that you have missed during testing, and you can see this in Tracealyzer to debug the problem.
Very good. And so that means that now or in the future, a device that's an IoT device could report back remotely to developers for QA and further testing and obviously debug, right?
Yeah, that's right, exactly.
Okay, perfect. We lost the, I think we're ready to go, right?
Okay. Yep.
All right, so now let's go for it. I think that gives enough background. And then you just want to show us a closer look?
Yep. So this is the DFM version of Tracealyzer, showing the dashboard here. So here we can see a number of reported issues from this device. So this is an ST board running Amazon FreeRTOS, and when I push this button, we are generating issues. There are actually bugs occurring when I push this button. And when I click this, you will see pretty soon here that this will update. There will another issue coming in. There we go. And you see here, assert failed. So that's the type of issue. So if we click on this trace here, we can actually see what happened.
So part where the real part of the transaction will happen. Because an HSL is always blank.
So now this is downloading from the cloud, and in the end of this recording, this is about 500 milliseconds of execution. In the end here, we see the problem and all information that has been reported with this problem. And the trace provides the context, the situation where the problem occurred, so you can analyze this better.
So developers here would be familiar with this because it looks and works a lot like Tracealyzer, right?
Yeah, it is Tracealyzer, but in a new context. It's Tracealyzer extended with cloud connectivity, and but in a new context for monitoring. DFM is a service that we provide. It's a hosted service running in AWS for dealing with this kind of information and providing notifications and overview of this data. Because if you have a large fleet of devices, you might get thousands of alerts like this, and you want to know which one of these alerts that are you have seen before and which ones that are new that you can focus on. And by getting this kind of information, you can immediately start to analyze and fix the problem. And if you have over-the-air update capability, you can fix the problem before most customers even notice there's a problem.
Very good. And one last thing is, can you explain the DFM classification engine and why that's significant?
Yeah, exactly. The DFM classification engine is the core of the DFM service. This receives all the alerts from the devices and compares them with previous alerts and applies rules so that developers can get notified on serious issues or new things that occur, but not on repeat of previous problems. So you avoid flooding your inbox with thousands of emails about existing problems that you already know about.
Excellent. Well, where can we find out more?
You visit percepio.com/DFM.
Thanks, John.